Hey guys, let's talk about Qualcomm. Actually, no, let's talk about OnePlus. I'm at Mobile World Congress 2019 and it looks like the OnePlus 7 could be sat behind me. Don't know for sure, but keep watching to find out everything I do know. Before I jump into that, if you're not already subscribed, subscribe. It's how you stay on top of everything I do. Right, there's a mystery phone under some perspex. Two, in fact. One's showing off some kind of streaming messages and the other's showing off some streaming gameplay played with an Xbox controller. It's all to showcase 5G. Super low latency, 3D flight simulator. Looks really impressive, but that's not actually what's blowing my mind. It's the fact that this is all being shown off on a really long phone. It looks like it's clearly got an OLED display because off angle it's got that kind of OLED shimmer. OnePlus only really does OLED phones. Why would they be showcasing something off on a device that's prototype that looks this unique? So super long, all screen front experience. The sides are completely encased in plastic, but it being this long, it doesn't look like there is any room whatsoever for a front camera. Otherwise it would just be too bulky. Yeah, maybe they have either a mechanical camera or an under screen camera or a screen on the back of the phone, so you use the main camera as a selfie camera as well. On top of that, the demo looks really slick, and the scrolling messages look really slick as well, potentially suggesting a high refresh rate. This could be the OnePlus 7, and if it is, then I'll be really excited because they're ditching the notch. They're doing something a little bit different. It's similar to Sony, but let's face it guys, we only just saw that today. And of course the 5G demo itself was really impressive as well, packing the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 chipset. So that's been my wild speculation. Let me know what you think. You're looking forward to the OnePlus 7. If you've got any questions, anything you want me to test out at Mobile World Congress, I will be here for the next 3 days doing just that. Take care guys, bye.